Hello there. I'm Mike from Parker Plumbing Company. I'd like to welcome you. Whether you're a first-time viewer or a repeat offender, it is our hope that you will find our videos to be educational, enlightening, and at least somewhat entertaining. As you watch our videos, please take notice of several important points. Our plumbing is always plumb and parallel, and the work is performed with the highest levels of workmanship and pride. We use quite a few 45s, as you'll notice. It enhances flow and also reduces noise. We also don't use soft copper as many would in some of these circumstances. I feel it's just a lazy way to perform the job, and it also leads to potential long-term problems. Here is how this one started out. Nothing left of the original structure other than the footings and a few floor joists. As we look at the subfloor plumbing, notice the way that the pipes are supported. We V-cut the blocks to prevent the pipe from warping in any direction, which could lead to potential problems such as stoppages or stressing of the pipe or joints. You're now looking at the waste of the kitchen and the island sinks in the foreground, and the powder room is the waste in the background. You're now looking at the island sink vent, and we are panning to the island sink location. As always with Parker Plumbing Company, all water piping is type L hard copper. Our hot water return lines are 3/4 inch and the water is oversized. As we pan up on the deck from above, you can get a much better perspective. All of our risers are plumb no matter what angle you look at them. We set up a string line of where the island cabinets were to be so we knew our layout was correct. Now we are following the gas line to the range location and then following it over to the barbecue gas stub. It doesn't matter whether it's waste, vents, water, or gas. Everything is installed to the highest standards. Well, now here's another case in point. Many others would have used soft copper or maybe even several 90s to make this simple change of direction work. Not us. Being that we are highly skilled, it is unnecessary for us to use such shortcuts. This will make for a much quieter water system overall. We're now looking at the master shower waste. As always, everything is nicely supported. Even the 3-inch clean out to the exterior is done at a 45-degree change of direction. Following along with the 3-inch over to the water closet or toilet location, as it were, everything is well secured precisely where we put it, and that is exactly where it shall always remain. The notch section of the floor joist for the toilet waste is completely acceptable in this situation, as the plans called for 2x6 joists on this short span. These are actually 2x8s, and we took care to make sure that no more than 1.5 inches was removed to maintain the engineered structural integrity. Well, we are now looking at the master bath area from above, with the shower area at the top right of the screen, and now the wall that is home to the 2 lavatories and the water closet. The 1-inch cold water coming from left to right will also feed the Torrance water heater to be located above. This is underneath the laundry area. This riser is going up to the 2nd floor bathtub. Everything that we engineer ourselves and install is designed with years of knowledge and understanding of the real-world mechanics of plumbing. The riser for the laundry is rising at a 45-degree angle, and the open waste line was extended to the exterior for a cleanout. We will always design and engineer our waste systems to eliminate cleanouts inside a structure. Sometimes it does cost us a bit more, but if it can be done, we will do it. I sleep very, very well every night. I have no reason to be concerned that someday something is going to happen or we will get a call in the middle of the night. It's because of the quality of materials we use and our installation practices. You see, I'm our worst critic. I have always critiqued and criticized my work and our work. I never believed that somehow it couldn't have been done better. That's what keeps making Parker Plumbing Company better. So, give us a call or visit us on the web. Either way, have a great day.